Hey, those aren't Golden Eagle sleeves. What are those? What is that? RS? It's not Darton. Hey, we can't put that online. Those aren't even our sleeves. What are we doing working on this motor? Oh yeah.
Customer.
Our good customers. They bring it in and we do the line bore. We put our girdle on them. We don't care. We love our customers. Golden Eagle 3-main girdle. This one needs a home. It found a home. Three-main girdle. So you got these, what you see here, what you're looking at is the regular Honda, the B16, the B18 B, and the B20 B, unlike the GSR, have 5 separate main cats. The GSR has a bridge across the top, which is good for high revs. So we make this adapter piece that allows you to have the same strength as a GSR in your LS or B20 or B16 block. You couple these with the ARP 2000 main studs and torque them at 80 pounds, and that helps strengthen your motor. You need that for turbo application. Anything past 550 or 600 horsepower on your B series that is not a GSR, you're going to want our main girdle. Okay, here's the block. Hot taped it after the line bore. You can see it's got the 3-main girdle on there. All line bored, ready to go. And this block isn't even sleeved by us, but we service it. We do the final hone, we add the O-ring groove. Of course, sleeved by other people, you're gonna pay a premium when you send it here, because we like you to use our sleeves. The ones that are guaranteed not to sink or crack. But anyways, 3-main girdle. Now, she's ready for the build room. Get your boost on. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. He who believes in him is not condemned, but he who does not believe is condemned already, because he has not believed in the name of the only begotten Son of God.